Hey traders, Mike here. The WallStreetBets community on Reddit has gained notoriety for its members to share their incredible trading profits with each other. However, more recently, members frequently share their screenshots of their trading accounts displaying how much that they've lost. These forum members derive a peculiar satisfaction from witnessing significant losses as it alleviates their own feelings of distress caused by their financial setbacks. So in this video, I want to share 8 of the most painful trading losses from members of the WallStreetBets community and what you can learn from their mistakes. So let's get started. The first trader I want to profile is the user Admirable Surround 11. Now this was around the time when the stock GameStop was skyrocketing in value. Now hoping to take advantage of the stock price appreciation, this trader bought $90,000 worth of call options. The problem is, this user never traded options before and didn't understand how options work. Now he made the mistake of buying call options that expired the next day, as well as not realizing that the options were already pricing in the huge price volatility in the stock. Now his $90,000 bet fell to $30,000 and he lost almost $60,000 in a single day. The second trader that I want to profile is a user who goes by the name Hate My Darn Job. Now you can tell that this person hates his job and wants to get out of the rat race by getting rich through trading. Now you started with buying stocks on a cash account and switched to trading options when he felt his stock returns weren't big enough. Now while like many newbie option traders who don't know what they're doing, his trading fell apart and he lost his entire life savings of $45,000. The third trader lost over $400,000 even though the US stock market index rose more than 50% in the 6 months prior to him sharing his losses. Now instead of blaming himself for the losses due to maybe overtrading, betting against the stock market, or just due to an unprofitable trading strategy, he blamed the Robinhood trading app for his losses. The fourth trader is an 18-year-old kid who got lucky by turning a few $1,000s into well over $143,000. However, this story never ends well when he starts getting cocky and increases the size of his positions. Now he ended up losing over $126,000 of his profits, but hey, at least he still made over $10,000. The fifth one is another trader who didn't cash out on the GameStop mania when he was up several $million worth of GameStop options. Now apparently this trader took out a second mortgage on his home and turned $35,000 into over $5.3 million. But he kept trading hoping to make more, and finally when he stopped trading he saw his $5.3 million profit down to $300,000, losing over $5 million of his profits. The sixth trader is a person named Jack who lost over $228,000 in a single month and bragged about it when he shared a letter from his broker Fidelity. Now his broker said, "We want to make you aware that the last month 39 trades were executed in your account and that the overall equity value of your account decreased by $228,734.60. Please consider reviewing your account statements to determine whether this activity is still consistent with your investment objectives, financial circumstances, and risk tolerance." The seventh trader had some early success in turning $10,000 to $50,000. And with this confidence, proceeded to put his entire life savings into the financial markets. Now, in just 3 days, he lost over $185,000 and has no more money left in his bank account. Now, this trader is so depressed that he hasn't eaten in 2 days. The eighth member, that goes by the username MingBearPig27, lost $1.1 million in a single week. Now, while this trader still had $379,000 left in his trading account, many members in the WallStreetBets community encouraged this trader to not close any of his losing positions. Now, while we don't know how much money this trader had left, but the fact that this post was in 2021 and the bear market started in 2022, it's unlikely this trader recouped any of his losses and possibly lost even more. So what are the biggest takeaways from all the mistakes that these traders made? Well, the first one is don't trade with real money until you have made money on a demo account first. Now, many of these traders are reckless with their hard-earned money and gambled it all away. Second is don't trade any trading instrument like options if you don't understand how it works. The third is to always have an exit strategy on when to take your profits. Now, if you don't know what price to sell at or what would trigger you to sell, then you would never sell. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like this video and hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys all in the next video.